Hello and salutations, everybody. Oh my goodness, how's everyone doing? Thank you so much for joining me today. We are going to have fun. Today is December 8th, and we are going to open our next little box, little surprise in our Christmas advent calendar from Sugoi Mart by Japan Crate. And we're gonna have so much fun. No, I've gotten a lot of questions. No, I'm not eating the chocolate. I, of course, am going to wait until the end of this because I, again, want to savor all of those great treats. And of course, I want to play with the toys too, so that's gonna be great. But anyway, so, oh my goodness, sit back, relax, maybe get some chocolate, eat it for me, eat some chocolate for me today. If you don't do anything else today, eat some chocolate, like whatever chocolate, Kit Kat, Snickers, Troll. Yeah, just get some chocolate for me. Put it in the link. Let me see you eating chocolate. Like, post some pictures. I want to see. I'll be happy because I can't eat chocolate right now because I'm saving it. All right, guys. I'll see you soon. All right, guys. Here we are again. I'm loving the box. I'm so sad that I have to rip it to even open the things because it's such a pretty design. They worked really hard on it. You can tell. It's wonderful. So, again, door number 1. Thunder bars. Door number 2. Yellow thing that I can't get out. And the door is now broken. 3. Kirby Planetarium. And as you can see, the circle is really hard to get them out. Kirby. 4. Yum yum yum. 5. 6. Cute bunny rabbit. 7. We're just gonna stuff them back in the hole. And then let's see, where is 7? 7. Troll. Yay. Alright, guys. Here we are at 8. Ooh, it is cold in this picture. And this little thing is the hang laundry, just in case somebody didn't know what that was. But we do this in the United States too. They do this a lot in Japan, but we do this in the United States. Well, when it's not snowing outside or cold. But yes, hang the laundry. Yep. Ooh. What's this? This is... Ooh. Ooh. This is a mask. A art mask. Very cool. Very cool. So this is a nice face mask that is like a beauty product. So this is awesome. That's cool. Yay. I'm excited to use this. And this is day 8.